What's the meaning of AIDS? AIDS. 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 AIDS stands for Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome, which is a sexually transmitted disease caused by the human immunodeficiency virus, HIV. It attacks and weakens the immune system, making individuals more susceptible to infections and cancers. AIDS can be transmitted through unprotected sexual contact, sharing infected needles, or from mother to child during pregnancy, childbirth, or breastfeeding. There is currently no cure for AIDS, but antiretroviral therapy can help individuals with HIV manage the virus and prevent progression to AIDS. Prevention efforts such as safe sex practices and needle exchange programs are crucial in reducing the spread of AIDS.